friends! Welcome to day 2 of Mama Elephant's March 2024 release. Today we're introducing the Way to Go sentiment stamp set and its coordinating dies. We are also introducing our balloon bunch creative cuts. First, let's take a look at the fun sentiments included in the Way to Go stamp set. We have "You are amazing in every single way," "Hip hip hooray," "This calls for a celebration," "Follow your dreams," "Huge congrats," "So proud of you," "You got this," "Way to go," "Oh, the places you'll go," and "Congratulations on your special day." Let's make a few cards with these sentiments. I'm using the 2 leftover images from the It's Popping stamp set I introduced yesterday. I wanted to give these kitties a fun background and chose a design that would really make the sentiment the star. First, I'm going in with Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide ink and a blending tool. Next, I reposition my stencil and take out my second darkest color of distress ink. This one is Salty Ocean. This design is really suitable for mass production if that's something you want to do. To add some extra interest and sparkle to my panels, I'm splattering them with gold-colored watercolor ink. I use some foam and the coordinating die cuts to pop up my sentiments. And now it's time to make everything come together. These sentiments are now self-adhesive because I've used Self-Adhesive Foam. And now it's time to add our adorable cats. And that finishes my 2 cards for today. I really love how these cards turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from the 15th of March, and I'll hope to see you tomorrow for day 3 of our introductions for the March 2024 release. Bye!